Hi everyone, this is Aras from English for Everyone, and today this video is about play it by ear. This expression, this say play it by ear. It can have two meanings or even more. One can be related to music. So if you play a piece of music by just listening to that without notes, just listening to the piece and then copying that one, then you are playing that piece by ear. Okay, so when I say I play it by ear, means I do not have the notes, I just have heard that and I have just tried it on my instrument so I can play it by ear, okay, without looking at the notes. But when I say play it by ear about things that happen in life, especially things that are going to happen in future, we mean that I haven't planned anything, okay? I have no plans for it. I have nothing scheduled for tomorrow or this afternoon or anything like this, anything in future, anytime in future. So when I say I'll play it by ear, means let me see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. Then I'll react to whatever comes up, whatever comes on. Okay, so you do things without planning. Okay, for example, over here, say we can't make a decision. Let's just play it by ear. Imagine it's a group of people. You and your friends are deciding you want to do something this evening, and you can't decide what to do, and you're going to eat something, and then after that you don't know if you're going to a pub or if you're going to if you're going if you go shopping, if you're going, you can't really make a decision, and someone says we can't make a decision. Okay, let's go to the restaurant, let's eat something first, then we will see what will come up, then we will decide, then we'll find out if we are happy to go shopping or the other one. If we Let's see what our moods is like, huh? Or let's say you postpone the planning for a later time and let the things that are happening lead you. Okay, not you deciding where to go. You just go out and see what comes next. Okay, so in this case the person says let's just play it by ear, rather than saying the whole thing that we will do whatever we can do or whatever that comes up, anything like that. Say let's just play it by ear. So we're going out without any decision. We're going to that restaurant without any decisions made for what to do after that. So play it by ear means to leave it to future, to let it happen, and then act based on that, to react actually to whatever comes up. Okay, A says, what are you doing tomorrow? B says, oh, I don't know yet. I just played by ear. So a person, let's say, has got a day off or has got, I don't know, maybe a day off or something like this. And another person asks, what are you doing tomorrow? What are your plans for tomorrow? B says, I don't know yet. And continues, I will see what will happen, whatever comes up. Let me see what comes up. Let me wake up first, then I'll decide. Something like this, okay? So instead of that, the person says, I'll just play it by ear, whatever comes up. What do you want to do after university? You can't play it by ear. It's your life. You have to plan beforehand. Okay, when we say beforehand, means in advance. Okay, in a earlier in time. Okay, so you have to decide. You need to know after this course, after graduation, after this, I am going to apply there, or I'm going to continue, or I'm going to that city, or what I'm going to do, what this is going to be for me, what does it going to mean to me. So I have to plan. Actually, this is what this person is advising. So it says, what do you want to do after university? You can't play it by ear. It's your life. You have to plan beforehand. So you have to have something in your mind, a plan, something to do after this. So when we say play it by ear means just postpone things, plans for a later time. This is not right according to this person. Anyway, so plan to have a plan, not to have a plan is to play it by ear. Okay, I hope this has been helpful and you have found what you've got in your language. There should be something like this in your language. What is that? Would you please comment below this video? That would be great if you do so. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.